Hi, I'm looking for some good books to buy. Can you help me?
Of course. What kind of books are you interested in? We have fiction, nonfiction, science, and history.
I'd like a novel, something exciting with adventure, and also a book about learning new skills.
For adventure, I'd recommend The Lost Explorer. It's one of our best sellers. And for learning new skills, The Power of Habits is a great choice.
Those sound perfect. How much do they cost?
The novel is $12 and the skills book is $15. So together, that's $27.
Great, I'll take both. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Cash, credit cards, and mobile payments are all accepted.
Wonderful. Here's my card.
All done. Here are your books. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your reading and come back anytime.